everyone. Hope everyone is doing good and thank you all for supporting me. And today's tutorial will be a simple bottle art using cold porcelain clay. So you can use any type of bottle for this art. So and I am using my homemade clay and which is white in color. You can as well color the dough using any food color or any ink, colored ink. Okay. And so here I am using the soft pastels dust for coloring my dough. So just I am using yellow color pastel. So just try to rub or color on the piece of paper, and the pigment dust, the colored pigment dust is formed, and you can use the dust for coloring your clay dough. So you will have a mild color. So in order to have a mild color I am using oil, soft pastels. You can use any color. So previously I have done blue color, pink color, some of the colors using the pigment, colored pigment. So this one I wanted to show you using soft pastel, so I am doing it. So you can mix, so you will get a color. So now let's make different types of flowers. And so I'm making a simple four petal flower where I'm using my scissor. So just I'm pressing with the finger, making the petals flat. Then I am using a clay tool. Okay, and I am just clay spreading the clay so that the petals comes curly and it looks like a flower. So similarly you can make such flowers. Okay, now once the petals are ready, you can just make a small ball and you can just paste on in the middle of the flower. Okay, so this looks very pretty. You can do as well, do different colors of flowers. Okay, you can take, if you want a little big flower, you can just take a little more quantity of clay. Okay, I'm using Vaseline to just soften my clay. You can use any cream, body lotion. Okay, so just soften the clay first. See, the cracks are coming, so again just knead it well, because the petals will have cracks. So in order to avoid the cracks, just knead the dough properly again and again, and you can make a teardrop shape, and then you can just make slit, and then you can make a flower, four petal flower. Suppose you want to make many petals, then you can have multiple cuts. Okay, so whenever you are making a flower, just try to make big flowers so that after drying the flowers will shrink in size. Okay, so better if you make a little big, then it will reduce, it reduces in size. Okay, so similarly you can make different types of flowers, and you can have many flowers. Once you are done with many flowers, then you can just stick these flowers on the bottle using Fevicol. Okay, so I'm if those who are not having the clay tools, you can as well use your hand. Just try to spread the clay, then you can have that little bit curly petals. Okay, otherwise you can also use a simple toothpick, so that you can roll at the end of the petal, the tip of the petals. So if you roll, then you will have a curly petals. Okay, and now I have done 4 to 5 flowers. Okay, and a leaf. Then I will start sticking on the bottle using Fevicol. So simple Fevicol drop, and I am just placing the flower on the Fevicol drop. So I am pasting my flowers little bit closely, because as the flowers will shrink, they will leave some gap. Okay, if the gap is too much, I can try to insert small flowers in between. So I am just making a floral pattern here using this cold porcelain clay. Okay, so I can use some green stem structures also. Like it is up to you, like whatever design you want. whatever flowers you want, you can do it. So I started with the 4 petal flowers. Okay, then I'm pasting a leaf here, and the stem is easy. Just you can roll a thin strip of clay and you can just paste it for a stem. So any design you can do. I'm just doing a floral pattern only on one side of the bottle. So I have made some spiral stem. So yeah, okay. Using the toothpick, long toothpick, I'm just inserting that stem. Yeah. So once it is dried, in between, if you feel too much gap is there, you can just do some more flowers, small flowers, and you can just insert it. So a simple design. Now I wanted to add some more flowers. I wanted to add little big flowers. Okay. You can use scissor. You can use a cutter. What scissor is best for you? That's on safety side. Okay. And one small tip is like, if you don't want to paste the flowers, you can just what you can do is you can just insert a small thin metallic wire from the center of the flower, and you can just make a ball and paste at the center of the flower. Now at the bottom, the metal wire can be covered with the green tape so that it looks like a stem. So similarly, you can make such bunches of flowers, and you can just decorate in a vase. Okay. Now while pasting the flowers on the bottle, you can just trim at the base of the flower, because you will have a stem like structure, right, once you do the flowers. So just trim it so that you will have a flat surface and it is easy to paste on the bottle. Okay. So now after placing the ball at the center, now I am using the soft pastel yellow color dust at the center of the flower so that the center looks little yellowish shade. So you can as well check my other videos of cold porcelain clay flowers which I made, so that you will get an idea how to use the metal wire at the center of the flower. Okay. Similarly, I made a yellow flower, a pink flower. Now I'll show you how to make a leaf. Just take a green color clay. Okay. So for green color, you can use any color pigment, like the watercolor pigment, green color pigment, or green, or a drop of green color acrylic paint, or even the sketch pen, little bit ink also, anything. Okay. So just make it your drop and just press it, and just you can spread the like a petal. Okay. Just now you can just mark some leaf impressions using cutter or any sharp tool. Okay. So you'll have the leaf impression on the structure, and then you can just stick it. So you can make so many leaves. Okay. See how I am trimming at the base of the flower. So this is very easy to paste it on the bottle. Just trim at the base and then you can just paste it. So I'm just pasting flowers. So whatever flowers I have done, just I'm pasting it, and you can add some leaves also in between and stem. So I'll be adding some big flowers also, and it will be different flowers. So maybe the petals, so maybe some of the petal variations. Okay. So now I'll be just showing you how to do different types of flowers. Okay. Just let's proceed with the tutorial. Okay.